Oh my God. To be honest, I'm grateful for this. Hi everyone, what's up? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So today we'll be reacting to someone new. So we're going to traverse in the Philippines. You guys are so incredible. When it comes down to music partaking, you guys always storms the place with beautiful vocals and wonderful voices. Okay guys, so I've encountered, right, some kids. This is a Voice Kids Philippines. I've encountered this channel just a few days ago and I'm loving what I'm seeing thus far. Okay, so guys, this person is called Tropa, ne Pablo's incredible performance, A Million Dreams, right? Battle rounds. Okay, so it's my first time checking this kid out. I'm not sure what he's capable of, but I'm here to find out what are his capabilities of his musical talent. I want to know if he can sing really good. I want to know if he can, because there's no way. Kids are so talented these days. It's gorgeous to look at. So without further ado, let's dive in.
I close my eyes and I can see the world that's waiting up for me, and that I call my own. Through the dark, through the door, through where no one's been before, but it feels like home. They can say it all sounds crazy. They can say I've lost my mind. I don't care if they call me crazy. We can live in a world that we desire. 'Cause every night
Oh my God. To be honest, I'm grateful for this. I'm grateful so much so that it makes me smile to see so much talented musicians out there in the world. It's fascinating to engulf my flames around these kids. We should protect these kids because they are the future. They are the ones that will come and set the future for us. And to see these kids with such a bright future, I can say yes, give God thanks that we have some promising kids with some promising future. And the voices, they are incredible. These two little guys have such incredible voices.
the brightest colors fill my head. A million dreams are keeping me awake. I think of what the world could be, a vision of the world I see. A million dreams is all it's gonna take. A million dreams for a world we're gonna make. We may be right, we may be wrong, but say that you'd bring me along to the world I see. To the world we close our eyes to see. We close our eyes to see. Every night I lie in bed, the brightest colors fill my head. A million dreams are keeping.
Woo! Stunning. Absolutely stunning. Three little stars. They are shining so bright. Promising kids. Promising kids. I love it. I love it. I love it.
A vision of the world I see. A million
Wow, impressive, guys. Impressive. That was an amazing, talented performance. An heartwarming performance by those three kids. Wow, that is lovely. That was lovely. I think they are doing an excellent job because, I've seen a lot of kids out there with such humongous talent, and to see kids embracing what they can do, it's a bonus for me, and I respect how they coming to dominate the place. So if you guys enjoyed my reaction, always remember, leave a like, smash the subscribe button to become a member of the Jamaican Reactor. I'll see you guys in the next suggested The Voice of the Kids performance.